Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 phrasing issues. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, click here, go to game mode settings, enable game mode settings, go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox gamepad, turn it off, and then go to graphics settings, and now enable this option and go back, and then go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and then go back, and now go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check if you find any update, just download it and then install it, and go to settings, scroll down, image scaling, enable this option, and then go back, go to task manager, and before that you will need to restart your PC, and after starting your PC open task manager and close all the applications that you don't need, and after that your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.